Oh, I love hearing that. Love that. Well, since I'm here, I may as well play. Figure out how I got this thing on here. I want to change it to something else. How did I do that before? I don't know. Oops. I don't know what I just touched. Effects? No. Is that I don't think that's an effect. Dang it. Oh, stickers. I don't know. Is that a sticker? I don't think that's a sticker. Well, I don't have a lot of choices, so. Effects. Stickers. Sure smells good. And they don't even have a lot of stickers. Wow. What is that supposed to be? I don't know. Christmas? Happy holidays. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. I love it. I don't know. Let's try that. Oh. Oops. Dang it. Oh, well, now I know how to do it, huh? Oh, you can't see it really good. Dang it. There. What? What, Magic? No, if you want to come outside, you got to put your clothes on. You don't want to put no clothes on. So you and your little brother get to stay inside. Oh man, this feels so good. After being very warm for so long. Hi, Mel. So happy to be cool. Feels so good. Anytime. Oh man, I wish I could bottle this. Don't that smell good, Princess? That smells so good, huh? Yeah. Okay, sister. Love you too. Have fun. Take some pictures. I think I'm going to sit right here and take a nap. Oh, I just love it. Thank you. Oh, you can't see the rain now. Dang it. Still can't see the rain. Shoot. There. Oh, that nice cool breeze feels so good for a change. Whew. Got any water running down the pipe? A little bit. There. How's that? Is that good? Is that good? Yeah? This is just heaven. Just heaven. Whew. We got a little spray with that. Oh, it felt so good. Ah. Should have cooked first and then came outside to eat. A TV tray or something, you know? This is what I've been waiting for since this time yesterday. Oh my gosh. This is nice. What is your last name? I know. Is her name Kay? Yeah, there she is. What about Bunny? Bonnie. Come on. Oh, my feet feel so good. Well, let me put my shoes on the tree trunk just in case they get cold. I got you. Lay back. Oh, that feels good. Come on, you guys. Take your shoes off. Get wet. Excuse me. Oh, I love it. That is so nice. Dang it. I meant to bring my jars out so I could catch some water. Wash my hair. Ooh. That felt good. Yeah. I was just thinking of you today. I was going to remind you that I have not forgotten about your Rose's hair comb that you wanted. I have not forgotten you. I'll never forget you. I'm pretty much almost 50% set up now. With all my tables and unpacking stuff, you know. Hi, Cindy. It is just absolute divine. No, little boy, you're not coming outside with no clothes on. So stop crying. I am bliss-filled. Yes, oh man, I haven't been this happy in 10 years. It's nice to live in a beautiful, clean place. It's quiet. I love my neighbors. I'm just so happy, and everything's getting better. I decided to go ahead and take the shot and get the cortisone yesterday, and oh my God, it felt so good to wake up without pain. Yeah. I'm at home. I'm still in Nebraska. I moved from a tiny town to a tinier town. This is called Terrytown. Seriously. That's the name of where I live. I live in Terrytown. I think there's like 2,000 people here, if that. So it's so funny, but hey, it's clean. As you can see, it's clean. All of it looks like this all the time. This isn't just for pretend. And on the other side of this building, there's a lake. Oh, I'm so happy about that. So now that my back is, yes. I don't know why I didn't do it before, but I thought I'd try natural medicine. And don't get me wrong, the chiropractor guy did help. It helped a little bit. But when your things are touching just degenerated bones, he can't do anything for that. So I thought, well, I should stop being silly and just get it done. So doctor did hook me up yesterday. It took like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh my God. See, I'm praying to be like my mother. She had the shot in the knee after she fell once. That was way back in '98. Never needed another shot again. My niece goes every 3 months for her back. Yeah. I hope I don't have to do that. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not afraid or nothing, but I'd rather be doing other things. Yes. What? What? No, you cannot come outside if you don't want to put your clothes on, little boy. You got to put your clothes on if you want to come outside. That's the rules. I need to clean the crap out of their stroller and see if they'll get in the stroller. Oh, you're over there. Okay. Hello. I don't know who invented those things, but I could just kiss them for inventing those things. Thank you for my heart, whoever that is. My sister found this on Amazon. Yes, so I got two, because this is my bedroom window. That's my bedroom, and I want to get lots of air in there. But this little boy kept wanting to sit in the windowsill. Well, okay, you can't tell on this one too much, but on that one, it really is already pooching out a little bit. And I don't believe in paying for stuff when I could just make my children mine better, you know? I was just saying I should have put a jar out so I could wash my hair. This beautiful rainwater. Wash my body. Now that I can, and not have to think about how long I'm standing up in the shower anymore. Oh, what a blessing. Oh, I'm so happy. It feels so good to be so happy, you know? No. Okay, stop it. You're annoying now. No. No. Oh, thank you, Maya, for my likes. Oh, I'm just in heaven, really. I think this is the closest I'm gonna get with skin on. Oh, he got a lot of lip. That's the chatty Cathy one. The black one is the one who don't talk unless he wants treats, and then he'll just go, and that's about it. Oh man. Princess, go in the house and get me a jar real quick. Oh, it smells so good. Good boy. Is your brother over there? He's black. I can't tell if he's over there or not. Smile, Magic. Oh, I saw something move. He's over there. Yeah, he got lip for days, sister. I should change his name to Chatty Cathy. Come on. Get a little breeze on my toe-toes. Oh, just heaven. Okay, heaven would probably consist of having a lobster right in front of me right now, but that's coming next month. Thank you, you too. I love you. Go be good to yourself. Dance. Oh, I can start dancing now too, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna. Love you. Have a good evening. I cannot tell you guys how good it is to touch my own damn back and not go, oh my God. Yeah. My pretty girl. Yeah. You wanna get down? You wanna go inside? No, never wanna go inside, huh? I know. Come on. Bring back the thunder. Oh, this is so wonderful. So wonderful. Dang it, I should have swept my porch. Just love it. I love you, princess. I love you, princess. Yes, I do. Ooh, that was a nice breeze. You gotta go pee-pee? We need to go in so we can fix something to eat. It's almost dinner time. You getting cold? You getting cold? No? You sure? Oh, I forgot to shrink the video back. That's my good girl. Just so peaceful. Get away. Go back over to the lake. Mosquitoes. This just brings me such joy. sure on a mountaintop or something. Camping. In the rain, that would be so much fun. Spirit? Spirit. You like the rain? They say cats don't like the rain, but I think you would be weird enough to like it. It smells so good. Ouch. So nice to have my mailbox and the bus stop right at my door. I should have cut up that dang Ivory Spring soap and put it around the porch.
From 12 on your side, First Alert Weather, a flash flood warning is in effect.
Okay. Boy, I wish I could put into better words just how happy I am. You want to get your toes wet, princess? No? You don't want to get your hands wet? Okay, just thought I'd ask. Because it sure feels good. Smells good, huh? You silly girl. You silly pretty girl. Yeah, you're a good girl, princess. Today, stop peeing on the floor. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna go make me a Philly cheese sandwich. Norman and Judy have a No, don't let the sun come back. Keep raining, keep raining. Oh, you can't see the rain, sorry. Oops. There. Wait, can you see it? Here it goes. We're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna go make something to eat, excuse me. think my body has adjusted now. It's actually starting to get chilly. You ready to go in the house? Hello, I'm talking to you. Flash flood, National Weather Service. Okay. Okay, you guys, I love you. Go have a good day. Please remember to be good to yourself first, and then everybody else. Okay? Okay. Love you guys. Have a good day.